You're doing research, getting ready to start a project, or write a paper for a class. And oh no, the printer's out of ink. What can I do? It's all right, I've got you. As an example for today, we are going to act as if you were going to be doing a paper or a project on school uniforms. We're going to look up and see all the different materials that we can use, and we're going to find a little bit on both sides, people who are for school uniforms and people who are against. If I decided I wanted to use this article and clicked into it, and I found out I didn't have any ink in the printer, and oh no, what do? It's okay. I can click into the article, I can read it, I can highlight things that I think are important. I can make digital notes and I can say, remember to add this to my project or paper. And I could save it. I could decide what color I wanted it. I could take notes all over the place. I'm just doing this for example's sake. This might be a key point. Save that. This might be a quote that I wanted to use. Let's say I wanted to put that in a different color and save it. Now, when I go to the top of my article, you can see here it's got the little Google Drive icon. If I just go to that Google Drive, I can choose my Google Drive, and that document has been sent to my Google Drive and is in a folder named for the resource that I utilize. Now, another feature you might want to notice is that at the bottom of your resource is your citation. Remember, we always have to give credit to where we got our information because it's not our information to use if we don't give credit. So I can simply select it, it will copy, and it will be able to be pasted into my resources section of my paper. Super duper duper easy, guys. When I go into my Google Drive to find that article I just saved, you'll notice that your digital resources are going to have orange folders. We were just in opposing viewpoints. So when I click into that, I'm going to have whatever articles I've saved from that. I saved the Schools Back article. When I click into it, I have the full article in order to reference back. And if you look, I have all of the notes that I highlighted. And at the bottom, it will tell me exactly what I highlighted and what I wrote in. You also have your citation right here. So everything is saved into your Google Drive. No more trying to figure out where that article was or how you're going to get to it again, because you can save it very easily into your Google Drive into a folder. Happy research and happy organizing, and have a great day.